Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you dreaming big but feeling stuck, tired of setting goals only to watch them fizzle out? You are not alone. Get ready to unlock the yellow brick formula, a powerful strategy to help you achieve your wildest dreams with more clarity, confidence, and consistency than ever before. Let's dive in. First things first, we gotta get crystal clear on where you're headed. Without a clear destination, it's easy to get lost or sidetracked. Just like Dorothy had her sights set on the Emerald City, we need to define your ultimate goal. Think of it as your personal North Star guiding you through the journey. What is that big, beautiful dream you're chasing? What makes your heart race with excitement and fills you with purpose? Is it rocking that bikini body, launching that online business, or perhaps it's something deeply personal and unique to you? Or maybe it's finally ditching debt and building a life of financial freedom. Imagine the relief and joy of being financially secure. Whatever it is, grab your journal and write it down. Be super specific. The more detailed you are, the clearer your path will become. Instead of just saying, I want to lose weight, how about I want to lose 20 pounds of fat and rock a size 6 dress by my birthday? Specificity is key. It's like plugging the destination into your GPS. You gotta know exactly where you're going if you want to get there. Dream big. Don't hold back. Paint that picture of your dream life in vivid detail. Use your imagination to see every aspect of it clearly. Once you have that vision firmly planted in your mind and heart, write it down and get ready to break it down into bite-sized action steps. This is where the magic begins. Now that you've got your dazzling Emerald City all mapped out, you're probably feeling a mix of excitement and maybe a bit of overwhelm. It's time to break that big, juicy goal down into smaller, more manageable steps. This way, you can tackle each part with confidence and clarity. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to eat an entire cake in one bite, right? It's the same with your goals. Big goals can feel overwhelming if we try to tackle them all at once. It's like staring at a mountain and wondering how you'll ever get to the top. Let's slice and dice that bad boy into bite-sized pieces that feel exciting and doable. Each small step is a victory in itself. Let's say your goal is to save $10,000 in the next 12 months. That sounds huge, but don't worry. Break it down to saving around $200 per week. Suddenly it's not so intimidating. Suddenly that big, scary goal starts to feel a whole lot more manageable, right? You can see the progress week by week. Grab your journal again and start brainstorming all the little steps you can take to reach your Emerald City. Write down every idea, no matter how small. Even the smallest step forward is still a step in the right direction. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how tiny it may seem. Now that you've got your roadmap all laid out, it's time to put on those ruby slippers and get moving. The journey to achieving your dreams starts with that very first step. It might seem small, but it's incredibly powerful. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Consistency is the name of the game when it comes to achieving your dreams. It's about showing up every single day, no matter how you feel. It's about making progress, even if it's just a little bit at a time. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up for yourself, even when you don't feel like it. There will be days when motivation is low, but pushing through those moments is what builds resilience and character. Think of it like building a muscle. You wouldn't expect to see results by going to the gym once a month, right? It's the regular, consistent effort that leads to growth and improvement. It's the daily reps, the consistent effort, that creates lasting change. Whether it's practicing an instrument, honing a skill, or working towards a fitness goal, repetition is key. Even dedicating just 15 to 30 minutes each day to taking action can make a world of difference. These small focused sessions add up over time and lead to significant progress. Schedule it in your planner, set reminders on your phone, and treat it with the same importance as any other appointment. Make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Celebrate your small victories along the way, as they are stepping stones to your larger goals. But it all starts with taking consistent action, one step at a time. Each small step you take builds momentum and brings you closer to your dreams. We all know life has a funny way of throwing curveballs when we least expect it, right? You're cruising along, feeling unstoppable, and bam! You hit a detour. Maybe it's a setback at work, a health challenge, or a global pandemic that throws everything out of whack. But here's the thing. Detours are a part of life. They don't mean you failed, and they certainly don't mean you should give up on your dreams. Sometimes those detours lead us to the most incredible breakthroughs and unexpected opportunities. They challenge us to dig deep, tap into our resilience, and emerge even stronger on the other side. So, what if instead of resisting those unexpected twists and turns, we embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning? You've got this. It's time to talk about something super important: celebrating your wins. We're not just gonna hustle our way to the finish line without stopping to acknowledge how far we've come. Life is too short to wait for some grand finale to celebrate our achievements. Every milestone, no matter how big or small, deserves to be acknowledged. So, are you ready to lay your yellow brick road? Remember, success is a journey, not a sprint. Start today by defining your Emerald City and taking that first step. Want the full breakdown? Check out the detailed guide linked in the description. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to help you crush your goals. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and start paving your road to success.